Upat ka mga maanyag, utukan o talented nga mga Cebuana ang mo-representar sa Sugbo alang sa National Beauty Pageant na Miss Universe Philippines. Ang report ni Marie Dumabo.
Gawa sa send-off, gihimo usab ang sashing. Unang gipresentar ito ba nga sa Cebu Media, si Chela Grace Falconer. Ang Miss Universe Philippines Cebu Tourism 2025, isip usa sa mga motigi sa Miss Universe Philippines kun MUP, nga magrepresentar sa Cebu Province. Og sunod nga gipalaila ang midaog isip Miss Universe Philippines Cebu 2025, Gabriela May Gabi Carballo. Parihong gipasalig nga buhaton nila ang tanan aron subling marepresentahan ang nasod sa International Beauty Pageant sa usa ka Cebuana. Dunga na usab ang pagpromote sa Sugbo.
To describe it is rebrand. So if you guys have watched me for a while, I have also rebranded, and with that I also wanted to rebrand Cebu. So my attack on the tourism video was really more of a rebrand, not the usual things at all, because I think everyone knows a lot of things about Cebu already. So we wanted to showcase other aspects so people might be surprised with what else we have.
I always celebrate their wins, you know. For me, I always take time to know myself and know that what I'm here to do is to showcase my personality, my authenticity. And I think that's what the universe is looking for. They're looking for someone who can be themselves, that can inspire other people to also be themselves.
Og sorpresa nga gipalaila ang duha nga mokumpleto sa grupo, nga sila si Natasha Testa, nga mo-representar sa Lapu-Lapu City. Og magdala usab sa garbo sa mga taga-lungsod sa San Fernando, si Thelma Suzanne Dayaw.
For my fellow Punganans, I can promise to them that I will carry Lapu-Lapu City with all of my heart, as it is my pride and joy, and I will show to them that Lapu-Lapu City is something that's very different, that will leave a mark in this world.
Trainings, because there's so much more room for improvement. So again, I would like to set my best foot forward for San Fernando, because I'm not only going there for myself, it's for the whole San Fernando, Cebu, and I hope they will be proud of me.
I have no doubt at all. So ever since in the first edition, that they will shine at the national stage, representing us with confidence, resilience, and beauty inside and out.
Karong Pebrero 15, himuon usab ang sashing og pagpresentar sa tanang mga kandidata sa Miss Universe Philippines, ug ang Coronation Night ang himuon karong Mayo 2 didto sa Kauluhan. Uban ni Godfrey Relien, Marie Dumabo. Balitang Bisdak.